Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here, how you doing? It's been a long time since I've done a food review, but here we go. As you might see, there's 3 bars and bar drinks. I think I might have done the lemonade one, but I haven't done the orangeade and the cola. I'm gonna start off with the cola, because who doesn't like cola? So I'm gonna try one. It's kind of decent. The orange aid, it is next. Like ordinary orange soda. One sip of each. Sorry about that. You gotta burp when you drink 3. I must say though, none of them are quite good. There might be some better alternatives like ordinary Coca-Cola. The lemonade was decent, and orange aid is actually tastes like ordinary mixed orange soda. So if I have to choose between these, the lemonade would be the best one. Uh, but that doesn't say much because they aren't that good at all 3 of them. Kind of disappointed, but what are you going to do about it? Not much, really. uh, I hope you liked the video. I hope you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.